All right, Sneha is now joining us with more corporate reactions. Sneha, you've been speaking to people in industry, and what's the verdict?
Well, we have been speaking to a few corporates and they have said that it is a bit of a disappointment with the kind of delay that is going on with GST. We did talk to Milind Sarvate from Marico, who had said that the whole regime of GST was to bring in some sort of an advantage to the GDP growth as well. It was to add up around 1 to 2% is what he is expecting as a growth rate for GDP as well. But this sort of a delay will be definitely a sense of a pity that he feels, because there was a lot of groundwork involved from the corporate side as well, along with the state and the central governments, to bring down a proper structure for the GST. We also did talk to Bhaskar Bhatt from CII. He has also mentioned that it is going to be a pity that it is going to take longer for such a positive move to actually happen for the goods and services tax. Now, this was a move which was supposed to be a boost for the corporates and for the consumers as well, and the corporates is definitely kind of a bit disappointed with the delay that has been happening with the move.
Okay, let's actually hear out Mr. Adi Godrej on this. He was talking about this issue earlier, both of course as the head of the Godrej Group and the CII president.
Yeah, I feel so. I feel the GST is a very important macroeconomic reform for the country. It will add about 2 percentage points to our GDP growth, other things being equal. And the more time we lose in implementing GST, the worse off the country is. I think everybody realizes it, the government knows it, the opposition realizes it. It's a question of the government and opposition coming together and sorting out whatever issues there are. It's a shame that the government and the opposition are unable to work together for economic reform in our country.